What is a share subscription agreement? A share subscription agreement is a legal document which contains the obligation for an investor to subscribing to the company's shares if certain conditions are fulfilled by the company. These conditions are called conditions precedents. Often, the obligation on the investor is not very tightly worded, and they may have the opportunity to back out of the investment at the last moment. The agreement also imposes restrictions on the company so that it does not take any actions that are not in the ordinary course of its business. A share subscription agreement sets out the terms on which an investor agrees to buy shares from a private company. It is often used to formalize informal arrangements agreed between the parties in a term sheet. A share subscription agreement sets out the terms on which an investor agrees to buy shares from a private company. It is often used to formalize informal arrangements agreed between the parties in a term sheet. What does a subscription agreement cover? At a minimum, a share subscription agreement will identify the company issuing the shares, the investor subscribing for the shares, the number of shares to be issued, the class of shares to be issued, for example, ordinary shares, B class shares, etc., and the amount to be paid by the investor, called the subscription amount, and the time by which the amount is to be paid. Sometimes all of the subscription amount is required to be paid upfront. In other cases, the subscription agreement is required to be paid in tranches over time, and some of these payments may be subject to the company achieving certain goals.